ये मैं इंजॉय नहीं कर रहा आवाज़ां कट के। दिस इट इज़ अ पाइपिंग बैग नोजल आप हैगी है। सो दिस इज़ अ नोजल, इट इज़ अ स्टार नोजल आई थिंक सो। दिस इज़ अ spatula. So now we will pour this cream in our piping bag. ये मैं क्रीम नू नीचे कर रहा सी पाइपिंग बैग च। हाँ जी, so our bag is ready and now we will not hold this bag in our hands for much longer because of the heat from our hands the cream it starts to melt. And now we will start with the actual recipe, and I hope you guys are not getting bored. If you think that I am making these videos very long, like for 9-10 minutes, I hope this video will come out for at least 9-10 minutes, that it does not become much boring. We'll start with the strawberry choco chip cake pudding. This will be a trifle pudding. It can be both sweet and savory. It's the name is trifle because of the layers. So the lower layer will be of the crumbled sponge, as you can see over here. The first layer is of the cake, crumbled cake. The second layer will be of this strawberry crush. And here is the piping bag, and I am going to pour a nice layer of cream into this. The fourth layer is of choco chips, a lot of choco chips. We will repeat the same process. So again we'll add this layer of cream. ओ पा दे यारा क्रीम मैनू पा दे, मैनू पता है कोई गल नहीं बनी फिर भी पा दे। You can see the layers clearly on this side. मेरा ध्यान नहीं सीगा उधरली साइड। Okay, so now again choco chips, loads of choco chips, and again we will repeat, so I have to add more. So now this is the last layer. As you can see, the glass is completely full up to its brim, and now we have to start with the designing, with the detailing. You can make any design literally here, or you can even make no design here. Like I'll be making little stars. In the center also, and you know, I have really high hopes that the pictures of this amazing cake, this amazing pudding will also come out very good. I have left a little space in between so that we can add one more color to this thing. These are the Karonda cherries, a kind of murabba, like we can also say that it's a cherry murabba, and it gives a really good vibrant red color to the white thing, like. Okay, so now we will add the more cake crumbs on top so that no reason, just because it will look good, and some more choco chips. Okay, it looks really nice now. मुझे ही कुछ हो रहा है देख के. And I think it's ready. It's almost done. Yes, here it is. This looks really good. You can also add a little bit of strawberry crush on the top to give more color. This is the final product. This is what this video was about. Okay, so that was all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and will try to make it. This is just an idea. You can completely change this recipe. You can mold it completely as you wanna make it for yourself. Like you can use the vanilla sponge, vanilla cake. You can use butterscotch cake to make butterscotch flavor. You can use any cake and any topping for any flavor. Like if you like caramel flavor, you can make caramel flavor. It is just an idea of using the leftover cake and making a pudding. So one more thing that I want to ask you guys is what type of videos you want to see. Like you want to see such interactive videos, like one-to-one videos in which I can talk to you guys, the long videos for 8 to 9 minutes. I hope you guys are enjoying the content I am creating every day for you guys, the pictures and the videos. I hope that these videos are useful to you guys, and if you do try out anything from the recipes I share, please share with me. I would like to see what you guys made. I'm sorry, हमने 12:36 पे स्टार्ट किया था. You can see the time. I don't know if you can. It's 1:42 AM right now. Alright. So that was all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. Please tell me कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ऐदा दी interaction videos ज़्यादा पसंद है या फिर normal recipe videos ਜਿਹੜੀ मैं 2-3 मिनट दी पाना. And also I will add a poll on my story right after I post this video. So please go in my stories right now and check out the poll and please vote कि ਤੁਸੀਂ what do you want more, these interaction videos, one-on-one long videos, or you want small recipe videos cut to point ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੁੱਦੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਰੀਏ, फालतू टाइम पास ना करिए. Here I go and I just want to say stay safe, stay inside. This is a hard time for the whole world, not only for us, and it's good that our government took necessary steps at the right time. And luckily India च corona virus ਦਾ spread काफ़ी घੱਟ है comparing to another big countries such as America, Italy, Spain, China. And I don't know the whole politics controversy on this topic, but all I know is if we wanna stay safe, we have to stay at our own places. And so yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna edit this stuff and kitchen भी सामनी है पूरी, नहीं तो माता ने गाना कटनी है. Okay, and yeah, I'm just gonna go and I hope you all are safe with your families. Please keep following the Chef Says, and new recipes are coming soon. Banger content is coming soon. Alright, thank you so much.